Hi everybody, thanks for tuning in. Today I'm going to show you a trick that'll help you clean up some old toys you have. Every now and then we'll either buy a toy at a secondhand shop or a thrift store that will have batteries that have been left in it, and the batteries have corroded. This is one such case. This was one of our kids' earlier toys. They are the culprits. They left batteries in there, or I did, and they actually corroded. You see all this? I'll try to focus for that. There you go. See all that brown fuzzy crap? That's battery acid that has been corroded into a powder. So you want to get that off. Good way to get rid of battery acid or to neutralize it is just to use everyday baking soda. So that's what I'm going to do. All I'm going to use here is a regular Q-tip, one of the kids' medicine bottles or medicine caps, like for cough syrup or something, and just generic baking soda. I'm going to add a little bit of the soda to the cup. It's just a container. You can use anything. It might be a quarter of the way full. Tiny bit of water. And I'm going to mix it up with a Q-tip into a paste. Basically, I just want to saturate the tip of the Q-tip with this baking soda. And I'm going to rub it in the battery compartment, up and down on all the contacts. This will clean the contacts out. And if you get a little bit on your fingers, just rinse it off right away. But dip a little bit more in here. Back to it. And a lot of people see stuff like this and will just throw it away and say, oh my gosh, I'm done. But for the price of a Q-tip, 5 minutes work, you have safely neutralized all that corrosive acid in there, and you can put fresh batteries in and get right back to playing. So this side of the Q-tip's kind of trashed. Flip it over. If you want, you can wear gloves. I've never had an issue with it after doing this. We'll clean out the other contact. Then when you're all done with this, you can just take a moist paper towel with regular water and wipe it out. Let it air dry for a few minutes. Put your new batteries in and you are back in business. So there's a real quick tip on how to save a toy and neutralize a blown up battery acid or corrosive acid from a battery failing or being left in there too long. So I'll just take a wet paper towel, wet it a little bit, and I'm just going to wipe out the rest of the battery compartment. I don't want to get it too wet in there, because you can just get a good old-fashioned rust. Quick inspection. Everything looks bright and shiny, or way better than it was before. So we'll air dry it, put the batteries in, and give it a shot. Okay, it's been about 10 minutes. I'll let this thing dry, put in some new batteries. We'll clip in the battery cover here. Just hand tighten it, flip it over, see if it works. Cool. They'll love it. So that's how you clean a corroded battery compartment. Thanks for watching.